apart. Move my feet closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date and hit that notification button so you can get notified when we post all our new videos. Today we are on the road and we are going to Hopkins Vineyard in Connecticut. It's our first time ever going to a wine vineyard. When you think of Connecticut and vineyards, those two and two really don't, for me at least, go together. But there's actually a wine trail here in the state. There's 25 wineries on the trail, so we're actually going to one of them today, and like I said, it's called Hopkins Vineyard. So we're on our way now. Excuse all the bumps. We're on this like small country road right now. There's some beautiful water over here. Too bad I'm filming right now. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. It's beautiful over here, but it looks really beautiful. It's on the water. There's a restaurant out there. There's live music. There's events, and there's also tours, which is cool because it's self-guided, or you could do a guided tour. We're gonna do the self-guided, walk around with the kids, just check it out, see how the grapes are harvested, see the process of making the wine and everything. We don't really know what to expect. I saw the photos and looked it up online, saw some information. It was really cool and beautiful. We're just gonna walk around, enjoy this beautiful fall weather here in the Northeast. Brayden looks like he's very excited back there, chirping away. And with that harvest being done, maybe I'll try some wine. We'll see what happens today. I'm a little iffy on wine. I'm kind of hit or miss on it, so maybe I'll give it a go though, see what it's like. I'll probably try like a red or something if I do try it, but really looking forward to it, and just looking forward to the day with the family, enjoying the beautiful weather. The self-guided tour sounds pretty cool, just kind of walking around your own. We're not really big on tours. Usually if we do a tour, we like to go on self-guided and want to kind of do our own thing. I remember that one time we were in Mexico for our honeymoon. We kind of went off from the group and did our own thing. So we're more like those type of people where we don't really like listening about history and walk around and all that stuff. Kind of like doing our stuff on our own speed, on our own terms, and like more of the self-guided stuff. So we're on our way. Thanks for the support, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching all our videos, and we'll see you guys when we get to the vineyard. we just got to Hopkins Vineyard here. Absolutely beautiful drive. Just pulled in, walking up to it now. Temperature definitely cooled off. We're just getting here with about 30-40 minutes to close. We're gonna try and film as much as possible. The land up here is beautiful. The foliage is starting, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the drive as I filmed as much as possible. Driving up, temperature definitely dropped. It's probably about 55, high 60s right now. I'm gonna pan over and show you guys what we're looking at here. We're on the water view here at Hopkins Vineyard. Walked around for maybe 20-25 minutes. There wasn't really much to do. When you first pulled in and you walked out of the car and everything, there was a beautiful lake view on the right hand side. That was probably the highlight of the trip. The vineyard was beautiful, the lake view was beautiful. There was some hotel that we parked at in the parking lot. It said Hopkins Inn, so I'm thinking that was some type of hotel or something. I'm not really sure what it was, but it said inn, so I'm guessing maybe it was a hotel of some sort,
or like a bed and breakfast,
or something like that. And then straight from the parking lot there was like this barn looking thing that said Hopkins Vineyard, and we thought that would be kind of like a museum type of deal. The whole thing was a wine bar, so there was a wine bar downstairs and a wine bar upstairs. We know, which is pretty cool, but we had the kids and everything, and it would have been cool for us, like if we were just Angelica and I for a little date night, just sit down, have some cheese, wine, grapes, stuff like that. But we had the kids with us, so didn't go in there. And we walked farther past the road, and then that like party looking thing you guys saw was all private party, so that wasn't really anything we could interact with. Like that blow up slide, that pizza, and the ice cream was all private for a private party. And we walked down the road a little bit longer and just circled back and went back to the car. So it is what it is. It's a beautiful drive. It was nice to spend time with the family. And now we are on our way to Kent Falls, which is about 15 minutes from the vineyard. So it's getting a little dusk, as you guys can see. So I'm hoping we can get there before the sun goes down. This has been on a list to check this out. I hear it's absolutely gorgeous. It's one of the best waterfalls in the state. Hopefully we can get there. The sun's still up, so we might have some nice, beautiful sunset. We have never been to this waterfall. Straight ahead, you can actually, it's pretty cool. You can see them straight from the parking lot. It's not a far walk at all. Probably a couple thousand feet. So then these waterfalls are stunning. I'll show you guys here when I get up to them. So on Google it says the park closes at 8, but I think it closes at sunset because there's a bunch of signs in the parking lot says it closes at sunset, which is like most parks, so that makes sense. So I'm unfortunately solo right now because we are very close to sunset, and by the time we take the kids out, get the stroller out and all that stuff, we'd be crunching for time. So I just ran up here real quick to grab some footage, show you guys the waterfall. I'm getting up to them. Ooh, these steps are big, guys. I think I came by myself because kids and the stroller would not make it up this bad. Go get my workout too. Whew. And our little overlook over here. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. See what else we got up this path. Getting the steps in today, that's for sure. I wish the kids would have been able to see this though. It's just so close to sunset. Wanted to grab the footage for you guys so you can see our day. The kids love water. I remember we did this last summer. You guys saw the Waterville Valley, New Hampshire videos. They absolutely love this stuff. We'll have to come back when we have more time. It goes all the way up there. Quite an impressive waterfall. Like I said in the car, this is one of the best waterfalls. We got waterfalls throughout the state, but this is one of the best ones here that we're showing you and teaching you guys today. We're getting real rough terrain now. Let's go. Should have brought some boots, dang. Wearing Under Armour shoes. Angelica got a workout at the winery, pushing the stroller up the hill. And I'm getting a workout right now, climbing these steps up this hill. Always good to be active though. I love this stuff though. I love hiking, love being out in the woods. And you guys know Angelica and I love water. Always trying to find something to do outside. It's always good for the kids to be outside, get fresh air. Like I said, there's just more and more hiking trails up there. I'm not gonna go that far up. I'm gonna go down here to the left. Check out another overlook over here by the waterfall. Some more steps going up there. I'm gonna go at the end of this overlook right here. See more of the waterfall. I'm sure it's absolutely gorgeous here in the wintertime as well. Definitely cold, but sure the view is stunning with the water, the ice, and the snow. And we're getting into the fall season now. You guys saw that foliage is starting. We had a beautiful drive going to the winery and a beautiful drive going here to Kent Falls. The foliage season is absolutely gorgeous here in the Northeast. What did you guys think of our day? Absolutely gorgeous. Winery was all right. Like I said in the car, it just wasn't for us or family. It's more of a couple's date night thing. But this waterfall and this trail is absolutely stunning. I'm pretty much at the last overlook here on this bridge, looking at the waterfall right now. As you can see it right there in the background. We'll be back so I can show the kids the waterfalls and everything. They absolutely love this stuff. So that's a close out to our video, guys. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you guys in the next video.